Hello everyone, back tuning into Storm Watch. So we've had very warm weather over the past couple of days. We nearly broke the April maximum temperature record yesterday. Today's been ever so slightly cooler down in the south. No challenges to records today, but still very warm. And over the weekend we're going to find that it's going to try and cool down. In fact, it will cool down by the time we get through to Sunday. But the process is going to produce the risk of some thunder, and that is particularly tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Sunday itself, which is actually a cool down day, doesn't look overly interesting from a storm perspective. It looks like the main activity is going to be sort of this time tomorrow, really, and through into tomorrow evening. So I'll tell you through everything that's going on. We did so much last night, of course, but I thought I'd bring you up to date with the latest. So we'll get on with that for you right now. Just to say that today's first video was JMA Friday. You can find that video on the homepage. It's the month ahead, look ahead, and overall things aren't looking too bad, I don't think, for May. But have a look at that and see what you think. So we're going to start off with fact charts. These are the human interpretations of models by forecasters at UK Met Office. This is the facts chart for 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Where we're still in a warm sort of southerly flow, the winds coming up from the south. We've got this weather front that's across central parts of England and Wales. It's a rather weak feature, but later on in the day, it might act as the trigger for some downpours. That's how things are looking at midday tomorrow. Again, we've got that very, very weak little feature there across parts of northern England and Wales. To the south of that, the air is quite unstable. So this little front with the unstable air coming up from France might well act as the trigger for some downpours. In fact, let's go through to midnight on Sunday, so this midnight Saturday, Sunday. We've got this little convergence line here that's just been generated by the instability of the atmosphere. And that could well be where the heavy showers and storms are through the course of Saturday evening into Sunday morning. Then we've got these cold fronts waiting out in the wings. They're changing the air mass and turning the winds into the west. They push across the country during Sunday. Now, you might look about and think that that's going to be quite a wet day, but these fronts are going to be quite weak, I think, as they move across the country. First we've got the cold front and then an occluded front following along behind. This convergence line that happens late Saturday kind of takes a lot of the energy out of the atmosphere, if you like. So I think by the time you get through to Sunday, a lot of that energy has expired, although there may be some quite heavyish downpours across eastern parts of the country on Sunday afternoon. They'll probably be hit and miss, but there could be a few heavier downpours Sunday afternoon. And then by the time you get through to midnight, Sunday to Monday, those cold fronts are moving out of the way. The heat wave is over and we'll be back to normal April temperatures then. So that's the plan in terms of facts charts. Have a look at GFS model, see how that's handling things. Starting off at midday tomorrow. So there's the ridge that's brought us all of the warm weather over the past few days. It's slipping away into Germany, and the wind is from the south, quite a warm, unstable southerly flow. There's the upper air temperature showing that for Scotland and Northern Ireland it's relatively cool, nothing particularly exciting happening there. Still quite warm though, with the upper air temperatures, particularly across England and Wales, and down in the south. We've still got 10 Celsius ice thermal on the south coast, and there'll be increasing humidity, I think, through the course of tomorrow across parts of England and Wales. Now, this is Cape and lifted. So this shows you the thundery potential within the atmosphere, where you've got those bright colours, those orange and yellow, and sometimes they can go to red colours. That's where you've got high levels of Cape and lifted, and so there is high anticipation or high energy within the atmosphere available to be producing lightning and thunder. That's the Cape and lifted for 3 o'clock in the afternoon on Saturday, and you see that the Cape is particularly across England and Wales, and particularly out through central and western parts of England and Wales. We keep Cape going into 6 o'clock in the evening on Saturday. Notice things are really spiking up over France as well. Up to midnight then, we have got enough Cape and lifted to midnight to be sustaining lightning and thunder, although we are losing the available energy within the atmosphere by that point. So it tells us that by the time you get through into the early hours Sunday morning, a lot of the storms will be probably dying down in nature. This is how the precipitation forecast looks from the GFS for midday. So things just sparking off a little bit across parts of Wales and southwestern England. Not a huge amount happening, but through the afternoon things get more lively. So this is to 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Some heavy showers or storms through parts of Wales and into Midlands too, and then those showers and storms trundling northwards, affecting much of northern, particularly northwestern parts of England and North Wales, also down into the northwest Midlands. Notice for the far south and southeast, not much happening down there through the afternoon. Then into the evening, it looks like the showers get more widespread and push eastward. So the greatest chance of thunder showers or storms could be late in the evening across southeastern parts of the country. And by then, they're beginning to clear away from parts of northern England, Wales and southwest England too. Through the early hours, those showers and storms push out into the North Sea, and then the worst will be over. That takes us into Sunday, where low pressure is heading in from the Atlantic, turning the winds into the west as the upper air temperatures for Sunday cooling down from the north and west progressively through the course of the day. But as that cool down takes place, not a huge amount of cape are lifted available across East Anglia. So you'll see that we've got this front here that's moving down across the country through the course of Sunday morning, but it's a relatively weak front, not much happening. There is a suggestion through Sunday afternoon of some showers in the east. They might be a little bit fungy, particularly close to the East Anglian coast, but overall it looks like the lively weather for thunder is Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening into the early hours of Sunday, and then Sunday itself will just see a band of cloud and probably quite light rain moving eastwards across the country, bringing the cooler, fresher air and maybe sparking some heavy showers into parts of eastern England. And by the end of Sunday into Monday, we're back into those much cooler temperatures. This high resolution arpège model from the weatheroutlook.com, starting at midday tomorrow. We've got the showers down in the southwest, and those showers get more widespread through the course of Wales, through the course of Saturday afternoon across Wales and the Midlands. Some central southern parts of England also included in that as well. You see, they are quite hit and miss showers. This is 9 o'clock in the evening, so widespread showers across many parts of England and Wales in particular, just about getting up to some parts of Scotland, but they are quite hit and miss. So you get one of those showers or storms, you will know about it. It'll be quite intense and lively because there's enough cape in the atmosphere, but they are hit and miss, so certainly not everywhere is going to get those downpours. And then we go through into Sunday, where most of the interest is gone. We just push a weak weather across the country and change the air mass. DWD icon from the weather outlook looking like that. Midday tomorrow, showers in the far southwest. They get more widespread and intensify, particularly across northern England and the Midlands through the course of Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. Then into the early hours of Sunday, those storms and showers push into the east. That's 3 o'clock in the morning. Possibly some showers or storms across East Anglia and South East England at that point, before clearing away. And then we bring this weak weather front across the country, which does die a bit of a death as it moves across the country, but will change the air mass into something a lot cooler and fresher. Euro 4 from Weather Online. Find a link to all these websites on the links page, looking like this. So at 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, not a huge amount happening, but as we go through the morning, we find that the showers break out across the southwest. So this is 6 o'clock in the evening with heavy showers, possibly thunderstorms across Wales and into the Midlands, struggling to get up to northern England. You'll notice, but they do eventually push up in towards parts of northern England by 9 o'clock in the evening. And then we've got some more showers and storms moving across the southeast, so some southern, southeastern parts of the country, possibly getting some showers or storms through the course of tomorrow evening. And then by the time you get through to the early hours of Sunday, most of that is pushing out into the North Sea. Then the interest is over. And then finally, we've got the Halam model from metrosil.fr. Starting at midday tomorrow, just a few showers down across the far southwest of the country. Those showers get more widespread and quite intense though through the course of tomorrow afternoon. So that's 6-7 o'clock in the evening, where the focus is on the Midlands. A little bit different to the other models. The focus really on the Midlands tomorrow evening. The possibilities of torrential rain, and there'd be lightning and thunder in with that as well. Then we go through to 9 o'clock, and those showers and storms are pushing into East Anglia, with a few more down across the southeast. It's further south with this, not getting as much influence through northern England perhaps, although Northern Ireland perhaps getting some heavy downpours there early on Sunday morning. Most of the storms though by that point are moving out of the way into the North Sea. There's the weather front that's going to push across the country through the course of Sunday, changing the air mass, bringing outbreaks of rain into the north and west, but as that pushes eastwards, it fizzles out. So it's still on course for thunder, and it's mainly in the west and through parts of southwest England, Wales, northern England, the Midlands, tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, and then those showers and storms pushing over to the eastern side of the country through the early hours of Sunday, probably losing a lot of their intensity as they do so, as the available energy in the atmosphere kind of withers away. But even so, there could be some showers and storms in the east in the early hours of Sunday. And then Sunday itself looks like just bring this weakish weather front across the country, which does cool things down a lot. It will be significant for temperature, but probably not doing much thundery through the course of Sunday itself. So that's how things are looking at the moment. Any change, of course, we will keep you updated. And we've got the weekend forecast coming up first tomorrow, so it'll deal with all of this as well. Right, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.